What's going on, family? So I just got the gate lifted up, which you see it was about a few inches down. Now I got it even. So I'm gonna work on this. I'm waiting on the guy. He should be here probably like 10 minutes, so I can figure out if he want to go back with this mechanism or he want to go with another one. I actually think we need to have like a deal here and here to lock it. You know what I mean? So that's really what I'm gonna request, where we can be able to like pick it up, pin it, drop it, pick it up, pin it, drop it, and push the pin over to the side. You know what I mean? That way it'll keep the door lined up and it'll keep it from coming off, and just having one mechanism. So if that, if you don't have two on it and it breaks, at least you got a safety one. You know what I'm saying? But like this one, like I say, luckily, this broke when he just unloaded, and he had a whole lot of rims and tires in there, so he probably would have killed somebody, driving 75, 80 miles per hour on the freeway, and then this happens, so that's what I'm working on right now. About to get my hog on, so waiting on him to come so I can finish this up. Hog on.